check out this waterfall, and we're going. We're at Milford Sound, just in the nick of time really, and we are having a perfect day. So normally it's either raining or overcast here. This is really unusual, and we're late, so we're gonna go hurry to our boat. Okay, we just got done with our cruise, and surprise, the tide went back.